promise to Yayati. Yayati felt relieved when he was assured of Hanuman's help. By then, Hanuman too arrived at the ashram. Yayati bowed before him and said, "My lord, I am Yayati, the king of Kasi. I too am a devotee of Lord Ram. There is nobody other than you who can save me from the danger that awaits me." Hanuman assured the king, "Do not worry. If my mother has given you her word, then it is my responsibility to carry out her promise. You will be protected from whatever danger you are in." Anjana and Hanuman had no idea about the nature of the danger Yayati was in. She told Yayati that now he was assured of Hanuman's help, he should tell them what exactly was threatening his life. Yayati feared to give them the details of the whole incident. He was not sure how to tell them about it. Anjana Devi's dilemma. Even though he was assured of Hanuman's help, yet Yayati was not sure how to narrate his plight to Hanuman and Anjana. As I said, I am a devotee of Lord Ram, but now he wants to kill me. I don't know what grave mistake I have committed to bear the brunt of his wrath and annoyance. I must have unknowingly done something wrong, Yayati said with a sigh. Anjana was shocked. Ram wants to kill you? I should not have promised any help without knowing the whole story. How can Hanuman fight against Lord Ram? She said. Hanuman saw his mother's dilemma. Mother, do not take back your words. It is our duty to give refuge to whoever seeks it. I will not let King Yayati be in any kind of danger. We must deal with this situation and confront Yayati's enemy, even if it happens to be Lord Ram himself, he said. Hanuman decides to defend Yayati. Hanuman had promised Yayati that he would save him from any kind of danger. Even when he learned that he had to fight against Lord Ram, he did not falter. The news spread like wildfire. Ram and Sita too heard about it. Sita was lost in thought. Meanwhile, Yayati's wife Yashodhara came to meet Sita along with her children. Please protect my husband, Devi. I don't want to become a widow. Sita pacified her and told her that her husband was under Hanuman's protection. She also asked Yashodhara to stay in Ayodhya till Yayati was safe. Soon, Ram left for Kasi. His brothers, ministers, and his army were also with him. Hanuman went to Ram and fell at his feet. Lord Ram, do not kill Yayati. He is innocent. Please have mercy on him and let him go free. But Ram could not retreat now. He had to carry out his promise to his guru. Hanuman's appeal to Ram. Hanuman tried his best to persuade Ram to leave Yayati unharmed, but Ram was not willing to withdraw. Ram said, I have to keep the promise that I made to my Guru. I will kill Yayati. He then pushed Hanuman back and moved ahead. Hanuman immediately stood in front of Ram. He said, "My lord, I am blessed now, as you have touched me. Just like Ahalya was liberated from her stone form with the touch of your feet, feel immensely powerful now." Ram said, "Hanuman, do not try to divert my mind. Instead, give Yayati to me. Else, I will have to fight against you, which I do not want." Hanuman knew that Ram was determined, and he too did not want to fight against his master. So he said again, "Lord, Yayati is innocent, and it is unfair to punish him. My mother has assured Yayati that I will protect him."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.